Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Richland County, southeastern Ashland County, southwestern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, western Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Knox County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Danville, or 14 miles northeast of Mount Vernon, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Loudonville, Shreve, Danville, Hayesville, Holmesville, Glenmont, Nashville, Butler, Perrysville,